Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video on this absolutely pristine Yamaha FS1E Fizzy. Here we have a Yamaha FS1E Fizzy. This is a 1979 bike on an R plate. It is in stunning condition. This is a full restoration job. It is showing 513 miles on the clock. Of course, that is since restoration. We have no way of ascertaining the actual mileage of the bike. But it is an absolute stunner. This has been done very, very well indeed. There's not a mark on it. The previous keeper of this bike had it for 9 years and has looked after it in the vein as the previous keepers. It is an absolute stunner. I'm a little bit too young to remember these as a thing on the roads, but I do remember that when I was 16, everybody wanted one because, of course, you could do 60 miles an hour on these as long as you still had the pedals on. And there they are. Whereas all the other mopeds were restricted to 30 miles an hour by them. And everybody wanted these. They were sought after even then, and they've only continued to go up in value ever since. This one, as I said, is an absolute beauty. There's no damage on this bike or corrosion anywhere at all. There is quite literally nothing to apologise for. Of course, 49cc, pedal start. Spoked wheels, all the chrome's fantastic. There's no splits in the gaiters or any damage anywhere on this bike at all. It really has been loved. Look at that, the tax disc. We don't get bikes with those on in here very often anymore. The seat, there's no rips, tears or damage there either, and the rear light cluster is all, I am told, original, or as it should have been anyway, original. There you go, there's the chain guard. You've even got the original stickers on it, telling you what to do with the switch so you can pedal start it, and then the safety sticker there as well. It's an absolute gem, this bike. I think I might be a little bit in love. It is an absolute stunner. If you're looking to add a Fizzy to your collection, and why wouldn't you? I'm sure lots of you started out on these, then this is very much the one to go for. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our modern classics come prepared to MOT standard and have a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful Fizzy, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.